Here I am again. I tried to clean up all the ones I found the other day, but more spider webs continue to grow this time of year. So let's actually look at one under the scope. I brought it up from the workshop so we can look at it together. Let's get over here. I've got it floating in air. I'm going to put it down on a dark surface so we can try to see it just as it falls. Let's see if we can hold it with one and capture these lines. These sort of look like individual threads when they're floating, but now if you look at the image over there, you can see that it's just hundreds of little threads growing together. And they do. Now each one is a lot bigger than we think. Let me try to stretch it out and see. That breaks. But they're much thicker than we thought they'd be. While we're here, I thought I'd show you that the one we found last week is right next to it. And when I put it down, it got all curled up. But what I noticed later is that we had some moths in that spider web. And of course that is their job. So take a peek at that on the screen and you can see the wings of the moth. And all the overlapping layers. And there's the wings of the moth in there. So depending on what magnification you're using on your USB scope, you can get a lot of interest in very small images. We've got flowers, we've done insects, and there's a lot of different ways to use this, so I hope you'll enjoy it. And I hope you're ready, because this fall we'd like you to go to our website, Be4STEM.com, and sign up for our activity challenge packets that all come every month. And there'll be a video where I instruct the lesson and introduce you to a new character crew each month. So it's ready for you to sign up now and see a sample of what the lessons will be and the activities will be each month.